Hello everybody, welcome back to Cork and Java. I'm Billy and this is Bryn, and this is our second installment of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails. Today we're doing a White Christmas Mojito, so stay tuned.
Hi everybody, welcome to corkandjava.com, your go-to place for coffee and wine, reviews, and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss a video. So today, we are doing the White Christmas Mojito as the second day of the 12 days of Christmas cocktails.
Awesome, so let's get started.
All right, I have to cut a pomegranate, and I've never done this before. So this is actually our garnish. So I can read you the recipe if you want to start adding things into the mixer while I'm cutting.
Why don't you try cutting that, because I kind of want to see.
Of course you do, okay. All right.
So, yeah.
So I saw this
So we're also teaching you how to cut a pomegranate today.
Yeah, so I saw this technique where you look for like the walls of the pomegranate and just kind of like gently slice into it. And you're kind of like removing the top lid as if you're like carving a pumpkin. So let's see if it works.
Oh, okay.
May have gone a little bit too deep, but it's fine. It's fine. Everything's fine.
You won't be able to tell if you cut your fingers or if it's just pomegranate juice coming out.
You can kind of see like the walls that divide the sections. Yeah, so the goal is to cut along those.
This is a lot of work for a garnish.
Yeah, but it tastes good.
All right, just do one of the sections. You don't have to worry about opening the whole thing up.
Okay, well, I'll do my best.
Man, this looks like it could stain a driveway.
Okay.
There we go.
So this should be easier access to getting the pomegranates as opposed to just like going down the middle and all that. So, okay, so we have our pomegranate and we also need the juice of 1 lime for our mojito.
Fingers. All right.
Acting like I've never used a knife before.
So yeah.
Okay, so we need juice of 1 lime. Obviously, we're gonna need a fair amount of mint leaves.
Yeah, let's just do one thing at a time.
Okay.
Here is our lime, and we've already made about quadruple the mess as our first video for the 12 days of Christmas cocktails.
Yeah, make sure you check out the first video, the
Santa Claus Napolitan
video.
That one was delicious.
It was really good.
All right, that's about enough juice for 1 lime.
Okay.
What's next, mint?
Sugar and mint. Yep.
Alright. Put a bunch of these mint leaves in here.
Okay.
I'm gonna save some for the garnish at the end.
Okay.
So, because we're gonna shake this, and you can also blend it in a blender. That's gonna incorporate a lot of the mint that you would normally muddle for
you still muddle it in this.
Oh, okay. We still muddle it. Okay.
Yeah, you do.
I was gonna say, because we're gonna shake it up too, and that's we'll do a fair amount of muddling for you.
Yeah. You need about a tablespoon of sugar.
Well, this is a teaspoon, so go pretty generous.
And then go ahead, yeah, muddle it.
Yeah, trying to get that mint really incorporated into the lime juice there and get some of that sugar dissolved as well. I can really smell the mint already starting to release a lot of its bouquet.
Perfect.
All right.
So this is when you would fill your glass with ice and then go to the blending part of the next.
We wouldn't add the coconut milk yet?
No, not yet. That would go into the blender.
Okay.
So it says, in a blender, combine the white rum and coconut milk.
All right, how much coconut milk?
We need about a 1/4 cup
So
milk of canned coconut. And it does specify canned. I know they also sell
So
it.
this doesn't go in the blender?
No.
Oh, okay. We'll move that aside for now. And then this is our blender today.
Yeah. Yeah, so what you do is you do this part and then you add ice and then you move to the blender part and add it on top of the mint and the sugar and stuff.
All right. How much coconut milk are you doing?
1/4 cup.
All right, I'll get about a 1/4 cup in there. What, easier just to pour it?
Yeah.
All right.
Then this recipe calls for an additional tablespoon of coconut rum, but that's like hardly anything. I would just add extra rum.
Yeah, we've noticed that some of these recipes, you really got to kind of tweak it to be traditional kind of serving sizes.
All right, so this is when you give it either a pulse in the blender or give yourself a really good arm workout and shake it.
All right, let's add this. All right, that's pretty good there.
Yep.
Really frothed up in the shaker.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it would do the same if you were to use your blender.
All right, so then just add a little topping of the sparkling water or club soda, whatever you have. And then get some pomegranate.
Wow, it's really frothy.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
I like it. Are you ready?
Yep.
I'm gonna go heavy with these because I like pomegranate. So.
This looks like you're kind of tracking deer in the snow.
Oh. That sounds appetizing and festive. Merry Christmas. Okay.
Yeah. Here's what it looks like.
Are
You want to
let me just,
give it a quick stir? Or?
yeah. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna try this.
Okay.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, that is really good actually.
It's very creamy.
Mm-hmm.
The rum gives it a nice sweetness, and the mint, you know, makes it really fresh.
Yeah, you got some. There you go. Yeah. No, I totally agree. It's great. It's a perfect balance of sweet and not too sweet.
Completely different than your typical mojito.
Yeah, definitely. Definitely more wintry feeling.
Yeah.
The milk.
Yeah, I
it's
enjoy
good.
it.
Yeah, it's really good. All right, well, that was day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas cocktails. Make sure that you guys find us on Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest, and make sure you check out the first day of our 12 days of Christmas cocktails if you missed it earlier. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time, bottoms up.